Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan and wish you all a very happy new year. It was a wonderful 2023. I loved it. It's been 5 to 6 months that I started this channel and I've got all you guys as my organic subscribers. I haven't shared this channel on any platform or with any friends or family, and I'm happy that I did it and I found you guys. All you people, all you watchers, all you subscribers are the one who love food and who love my channel. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I'll make sure this 2024 I come up with great videos and I'll try to upgrade myself, upgrade my video making skills and upgrade whatever food that I make in a better way. So today I'm going to make a simple banana and oats pancake. It's nothing great, but this is what my daughter likes and I want to start this new year with her favorite. So let's get started. For this recipe, I'll be taking 2 ripe bananas which I have chopped and I have transferred into a mixer jar, followed by 2 whole eggs. And now let's take less than a cup of oats and we will dry roast on a pan. Now make sure that the heat is medium and I'll keep stirring this so that the oats don't burn. I'll just roast it for around 30 seconds to a minute maximum. And I'll transfer this into the mixer jar. And now let's blend it. And that's it, a smooth batter is ready. Now in this I'll be adding in few more ingredients. That's half teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of cinnamon powder, and half teaspoon of vanilla essence. And now let's mix it. And if you see the consistency is too thick, you can just add in some water, because we just need the consistency to be a little thin so that the batter spreads nicely. And now let's start frying the pancakes. Now in a pan, I've just taken half teaspoon of oil. I'll just spread this. This is just to grease the pan well. After this, I'll not be using any oil. Once it's heated, with the help of a 1/8 measuring cup, I will pour in the batter and we'll just heat this on low flame. Once you see the bubbles forming up, you can flip it over. Just make sure that the flame is not high, or else the pancakes might burn and it might not cook from the inside. You just need to make sure that the flame is very low and your pancake will be fried in a minute. That's it. My pancakes are ready. I'll just pour in some honey on it and we'll be having it for breakfast. Alright guys, that's it. The pancakes are ready. The last one is getting ready almost. It's done. I'll put the flame off. Make sure that when you're making these pancakes, okay, you do not require much oil. Just 1 teaspoon of oil just to grease the pan. Okay, after that I haven't used any oil. And make sure that the flame is super low. Okay, so the pancake doesn't take much time to cook. Okay, it'll get brown faster and it'll get cooked even faster than that. Okay, you just need to flip it on both the sides, just make it brown. Okay, it's delicious. Your children will love it. Everyone at home will love the pancake. Okay, do try this out. Let me know how was your new year party, how was your 31st night party. I was at home, I did not do much, but yes, I tried a biryani at home on a charcoal. Okay, it tasted amazing. I will soon be putting up a recipe for that. It's a very simple and easy making biryani at home. Okay, so till then, my name is Stan. Wish you a very happy new year. Hope you and your family have a prosperous new year, a peaceful one, and I will see you again in the next video with a new recipe. Till then, bye bye.